Hello everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. Uh, I hope your day is going good. Thanks for joining me. Uh, in today's project, I will be doing a Christmas card, and this is the mixed media paper, and I'm going to be doing the background first. So I will be using some paint sticks, and I will be using those. This is from King's Art, and I have not tried this before. So these are the colors I'll be using, and let's see how it comes out, and try some of these colors for the background. They look vibrant. Now I'm going to spray some water on the paper as well as on the paints also. I wanted it to be light, so I sprayed a lot of water so that it will be in lighter color. The pink is like very light, so I may have to try a different pink. I'm making as wet as possible. Now I'm going to let it dry, and I'm using my heating tool and trying to let it dry, but I feel like it is still wet and it takes time to dry. So I have decided that I have made another same mixed media paper like similar to that, and I'm going to use that for the project, and I will let it dry. So in this I'm going to use, this is all dry and everything, so now I'm going to use this metallic acrylic paint, and this is a foam stamp which I made it using you can just use a pen or a pencil and draw on it and create whatever design you want to create. And I have done this, and I'm going to use that on this mixed media paper with golden color paint. So I'm using my brayer, and I'm going to put the paint and see how it comes out. So it looks like it needs more paint, so I'm going to use more paint. It is much better. I will put some more. Now I still have a paint, so I'm not going to waste it, so I'm going to use a blank paper and use it all. Now I'm also spraying little water and see. Yeah, it still comes out good. I can use this for my future projects. Now I'm going to clean this as because it's acrylic paint, so I'll be back. Now it's all dry and ready to use for the project, and now I have made a template, and I'm going to be using that on the back side of the paper. So I will first draw it, and then I'm going to cut it. I'm just going to check it out where the design and where the paper I can keep it and draw it. Now I'm cutting it. Now I have all the three pieces ready, so I can use this for my future projects. Now I'm going to get my base card, which is 4¼ by 5 inch, and this one on the top is like slightly smaller. So before I stick on the cardstock, I'm going to first stick those Christmas trees using my double-sided tape. Now the third Christmas tree, I'm going to use a double-sided foam tape. Now for the sentiment, I used gold color cardstock and did a die cut, and I'm going to stick that in the bottom of the card. I'm going to stick those all together on the cardstock, base cardstock. I'm going to stick now the sequins. Those are like in star shape, so I'm going to use that and stick on the sides so it will look nice and shiny. I love this project. I hope you guys liked it. So if you like it, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comments below so I can post more new videos and share it with your friends. So I will put the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I'll see you then in the next project. Thanks. Bye.